and welcome back to my channel, Genius Baking. Today I have a recipe I put together especially for the new year. If you bring these cookies to a New Year's Eve party, I promise somebody will call you a genius for making them. Every new year, everyone likes to set goals and resolutions for the year ahead, but I think it's also a great idea to reflect on the past year and think about some things that you don't want to bring forward with you into 2019. These cookies will provide you a creative way to do both those things. So to start off, we're going to be making some basic sugar cookies, and I'm using pre-made Pillsbury sugar cookie dough to make things a little bit easier. Creating a floured surface, and I'm going to roll out the dough to make it about 1/4 inch thick. So with my dough nice and flat, I'm going to be using these frame-shaped cookie cutters and cutting out 3 in each size. I'm then going to place the cookies onto a baking sheet that I've lined with parchment paper and sprayed with cooking spray. Now, you can make as many cookies as you want, but you should just make a number that's a multiple of 3. Oh, genius. So now that I have my cookies on the tray, I'm going to go ahead and take 1 of every 3 cookies, and using a knife, I'm going to cut out a small square of the center of that cookie dough. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to pop these in there for about 8 to 10 minutes. So while my cookies are in the oven, I'm going to start writing down resolutions or inspiration for New Year's resolutions on slips of paper. And these are going to go inside your New Year's resolution. Now I'm going to go ahead and pair the cookies in sets of 3 so that every cookie has a base, a centerpiece with a hole, and then the cookie on top, which I'll put to the side to decorate. I'm going to take some white decorating icing and use that as glue to attach the middle pieces to the bottom ones. Now I'll set aside these parts of the cookies and decorate the top cookies. I'm going to use an edible pen to write down on them something that I don't want to take forward into the new year. Now that my cookies are decorated, in each one I'm going to put in some of these star sprinkles as well as a folded up New Year resolution or goal. And then I'll grab my decorating icing again, and I'm going to use that as the glue to attach the decorated top of the cookie. If you bring these to your New Year's party, I highly recommend having everyone break open their cookie. That way you break the top part that has what you don't want to take with you into 2019, and inside you'll find a resolution or goal on a slip of paper to save and to bring with you into the new year. I'm putting a slip of paper that says, trusting myself, because that's one of my goals and resolutions. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have a goal for 2019 or something you've decided you're not going to take with you from 2018. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in 2019.